Good morning, happy Saturday. So things are gonna look a little different today. I have a scheduled 23-mile run tomorrow, which I was going to do today because I have plans for tomorrow. But after the half marathon, my left knee started getting a little twingy. I'm not very happy. I'm not sure if it's the patella tendon or meniscus. I don't believe anything is torn, just because I can walk on it. I can still run. It's just quite uncomfortable. So I was disappointed, but I'm going to get rid of that disappointment and turn it into gratitude that I have my indoor bike that I can ride to still get movement in. I just don't want to risk injuring myself further by pushing through a run, especially a 23-mile run. So I'm just gonna ride my bike today, maybe an hour, nothing too intense, just a nice hour-long ride, see how far I can go. But right now it feels good on my knee, very gentle movement. Yeah, but don't let minor inconveniences bring you down and stop you from doing what you need to do for your body and for your mind or your soul. So find an alternative that will bring you just as much enjoyment as the original thing. So anyways, I'm gonna go get this run in, or not run, ride in. And I'll catch up with you in just a little bit. Bye. So while I'm on this bike ride, I wanted to give a shameless plug for the foundation that I will be running for in January 2027. I've done a video on it. I'm running again for Give Kids the World Village. It's an 89-acre resort for children and their families. These children are going through critical illnesses, and this is a week-long vacation to let them enjoy being a child. Give Kids the World Village was founded by a gentleman named Henry, Landworth, I think is his last name. He was a Holocaust survivor, and he owned hotels, so he wanted to help grant these wishes for these children. He started 1986. There was a little girl, and you can go online and read this whole story on their website. A little girl named Amy who had leukemia, and they had asked him, a charity that was helping with her wish, they had asked him if he would accommodate the family for the week, and of course he obliged. But all the other travel arrangements, it took too long, and she succumbed to the illness, and never got to enjoy that moment with her family. So Henry decided that's not going to happen anymore. So he created the Give Kids the World Village resort, and It has helped hundreds of thousands of families since 1986 to get them there, let them create these lasting memories with their family members. But that's who I will be running for again. And I'm so grateful for that privilege. And I will be healthy enough to do this. January 2027, I'll be running the Dopey Challenge, which is all 4 races. It'll start out with the 5K, then the next day will be the 10K, the next day after that will be the half marathon, and then ending it with a bang with the full marathon on Sunday. I'm so pumped, so excited to be able to do this, and running for a charity just makes it so much more amazing, so much more worth it to get out there and know that we have helped create memories for families. My goal is 2,200. Let's try to beat that if we can. Any donation, no matter how big or small, is so appreciated and will make a world of difference for these families. Give Kids the World is a donation-based resort. All of these vacations are made possible by donors. You, me, everyone. So I would greatly appreciate it if you could donate. If you can't, that's fine. I totally understand. Just sharing the link that I have provided in my bio, that alone is such a great help. All right, just wanted to throw that out there, and I'm gonna get back to riding my bike. All right, we are 30 minutes in. Let's go another 30. All right, be back in a bit. We're done. 1 hour in, and let's see how far we went. Let's see. Come on. It's still thinking. 16.39 miles in 60 minutes. That's pretty dang good. I'll take it, and my knee feels good. So just want to encourage you all to move your body today, okay? Just get out there, move it some way, shape, or form. Do something good for yourself. And even if it's minimal, just do something, okay? Don't let small things stop you. Think about how good it'll feel after the fact. All right, yeah, go have a great day. And I love you. I do. I truly do. I love you so much. So go love yourself so you can love others. Bye.